Do you want to know how you can turn the camera shutter button on your iPhone? Hey there, this is Eve, and here is how you can turn off the camera shutter button iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look at how you can do this. Solution 1. Unmute your iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Sounds and Haptic. Now downgrade the sounds from here. You can also do the same things from your control center. Solution 2. Turn off sounds for live photos. Open Camera. Now turn off the round icon. Now, if you take a picture for live photos, the sound will not happen. Solution 3. Use a silent switcher. Now you can enable the silent switch on iPhone. If you enable this, every time you are going to take a picture or video, it'll no longer make any sounds on iPhone, and your shutter's sounds will be off. So guys, these are the practical way that you can follow to turn off the shutter sound on your iPhone. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.